Today we are at Rishi Pranaya. We are handing over this flag to the beautiful people have been associated with us.
Always like bang on that energy, that creation. It was just that creation actually happened in this journey. So thanks to you. I'm seriously thankful, and to the whole team.
ডে 1 থেকে যখন থেকে আমরা মন্দির বানাবার কথা ভেবেছিলাম, আমার সোমাওর একটাই পয়েন্ট ছিল, আমার লোটাস খুব ভালো লাগে এন্ড সোমাওর ইচ্ছা ছিল একটা ওম দিয়ে কিছু ব্যাকলাইট বা কিছু একটা করার। লাস্ট মোমেন্টে যখন আমরা এটা সিলেক্ট করি ব্লাইন্ডটা, এই দুটো কম্বিনেশন দেখে উই ওয়ার সো হ্যাপি কি দুজনের যেটা ইচ্ছা সেই দুটোকে পিঙ্কি লাস্ট মোমেন্ট অবধিও কোনো রকম ভাবে এটাকে বের করে করাতে পেরেছে। খুব সুন্দর এটা, মানে I think 2 দিনের টার্ন অ্যারাউন্ডে বোধহয় এটাকে করেছে না ব্লাইন্ড গুলোকে।
এটা আমার একটা ভীষণ পছন্দের একটা কর্নার বলতে পারেন। দিস ইজ নাথিং বাট আ ওয়াইন ক্যাবিনেট। ইফ আই ওপেন ইট, দিস ইজ হাউ ইট লুকস। নাও আমার প্রথম থেকে একটা ইচ্ছে ছিল যে আমার একটা নিজস্ব ওয়াইন ক্যাবিনেট হবে, বাট বন্ধ করার পর যেন বটলগুলো বা জিনিসগুলোকে খুব পরিষ্কার দেখা না যায়। ইটস কাইন্ড অফ লিটল বিট অফ হাইড অ্যান্ড সিক হওয়া দরকার। Then after a lot of research, she came up with this idea that this is a new thing that has come up, and this is a coffee colored fluted glass, and it looks awesome in this place and enhances the whole overall structure of it. And this is the place where I'll keep my glasses and everything, shakers and everything. It's one of my very cozy corner of my room.
A special feature of this kitchen where we have used Cuba's Symmetry glass roller shutter. This is a glass roller shutter. This is not acrylic. This is pure glass roller shutter. Look at the finish. So here I would like to suggest my clients, if you are spending on roller shutters, go for this kind of shutters which will not give you the plastic look. This is merging with all the glass elements, the ceramic elements that has been used in this kitchen. Very fan of this product right now.
Fanta. This fan is a very special one in our home. It's the most costliest one, first of all, and we wanted to have this because this was adding an edge to our living room. And with all the other aspects which we selected for our living room, this was like just making things wow. So me and Shomavu went to Homeland Mall, I guess, there we just found out one piece was there and we just selected and bought it just like that actually. So yeah, it's very special one.
Finally, we are handing over a site. It is a 2 BHK project, but it is a dream come true project. And we as a team, Creations as a team, we are very happy to get such clients. We would like you to hear their journey, their experiences with us, whatever hurdles, whatever good things that happened in this months of endure that we had.
It's a long story cut short, but everything in this project is very dramatic. Starting from the way we met her, the way we went through the designing phase, that didn't work out properly. Then we thought, let's plan it out in our own ways, and she appreciated that. She became a part of it, which is more important. And gradually, bits and pieces added up, and finally we are here. But the good thing is, this is actually, I mean, it's really appreciated from both of us, that whatever we said that we want it in this way, she wholeheartedly accepted that, even though she knew that she had to make few changes in her own terms, in her own designs, the effort she has to put in. But she said that it's fine, no problem, you just give me what you want. And she agreed to do that, and finally we are here in this beautiful dream house, and exactly the way we dreamt about it, the way we wanted it to be looking like. It's just like that, and appreciated the whole effort.
This is our first home. The day we bought this house and we got the handover, from that day onwards we had this, that we want to do our interiors in such a way that someone who can invest time, definitely, and also with wholehearted way, the person should be investing time and energy to make this house beautiful. That was one of our pointers when we started thinking that we need to renovate this house properly. And then we met Pinky, and it just happened. I think over one day, on a Sunday, I just called and randomly, and we just had a discussion. And the day first we met, from that day, it never felt that we never knew each other. It was such a sweet time. We shared the laughs, the jokes, even though we were, in between, like too much of technicalities that, no sir, this cannot be done because there are obstructions, it's not accurate to do that. And her suggestions, they were always so helpful. We are novice in this line, so we will just put our ideas, but to change that or to make it into a reality, that was her challenge. And every time she, with her own ideas, she just made it more beautiful. And seriously, I never felt that I never knew Pinky before this project. It was always like bang on, that energy, that creation. It was just that creation actually happened in this journey. So thanks to you, I'm seriously thankful, and to the whole team. And one particular member I really want to thank is Bapida, without whom I don't know whether we could have seen this journey day after day. And every time Bapida was there, Bapida, this is what we want, or maybe can you just tell us this measurement, we need to buy some things, can we make this little changes. He also was always there. So thanks to the entire team, this creation team, especially to Pinky. And I'm really sad this journey is about to get over, because this few months, it was beautiful. It was a beautiful journey. Thank you again. Thank you.
This journey will never end. No. আসছে বছর আবার হবে kind of thing is there in us. We already have planned something like that আসছে বছর we'll do that. So even if a small thing has to be done, I'll be there. And even if there is nothing to be done, we will be there. So
Connection will be there.
yeah. Because homemaking is my dream, and connecting a it's like it's like a bids that are getting connected to this company. Every client is like a bid, and the entire thing is not going to finish. It is a lengthy bid. It's a lengthy string that will hold everyone. So I'm very happy with this outcome also, and I'm very blessed that I met you. I met you too. Thank you.
Look, this is a 2 BHK flat, but we have literally poured our hearts out to give this look, and we're very happy with the outcomings. I hope you will hear from clients also how happy they are.